I'm your host, Sean Mackenzie. Thank you for joining me once again on my channel on data analytics. This week, we're going to install Pandas to our Python installation. Pandas is a great library that you can use for your data analytics toolkit when you're programming with Python. First, we're going to install Pandas, and then we're going to use our previous project that we did in Python where we brought some data from an Access database into Python. And this time, we're going to test our Pandas installation by bringing some data into a Pandas DataFrame. Okay, so I was using the default installation of Python that comes from python.org. And so it dropped the application into this directory that you see here, and it might be similar on your installation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to install setup tools, because the setup tools it's one of the four prerequisites for installing Pandas. And I believe if you install Pandas by itself, I think it will check for these and install them for you. But just for illustration, I wanted to install these separately. The second one is NumPy, which is the mathematics module for Python. And the one after that is the Python date util module, which is for dates. And the final one is the pytz module that you will install. If you have these already, you probably don't need to reinstall them. These are just the prerequisites for the Pandas module. So in my final use of pip here, I will install Pandas, and we'll see how that goes. I'm sure there are easier ways of doing this, but I've always been a fan of learning the hard way. Okay, and once we have our installation done, we'll go to our idle shell and create a new file, and we can start to use our new modules. First things first, I'll import the PyODBC as Pyo, which is our ODBC module, and then I'll import the Pandas module as PD, and these will allow us to do some data collection. And I'll go ahead and leave a message for the user so that they know what is happening in our script. And then we'll go ahead and create our connection string, which is to an Access database that we created in my last video. Go ahead and check that out if you have a chance, where we use the PyODBC module to get data from Microsoft Access. And in a similar way, we're going to get some data from Microsoft Access again today. After we create our connection string, we'll create a connection object from the PyODBC library, and then we'll leave another message for the user to say we're going to select some data. And the select string is from a project data table that I created in the Access database on my C drive. And so we've created a SQL string. Then we'll go ahead and create a data frame saying data equals panda read SQL, with the SQL and the connection included. Then we'll print the output, and we'll say closing our database. Then I'll go ahead and say connection.close, and that'll close the connection. And we'll hit F5 on the keyboard to run it, and the idle shell will come up. And in the idle shell, you'll see some data has been selected from the database on our C drive. Well, I hope you enjoyed our tutorial today on installing the Pandas module to your Python installation, and we will be doing much more with Pandas in the upcoming videos in this series. Until next time, I'll catch you later.